Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the boot animation of your device. If you're wondering what a boot animation is, I'll just show it to you right now. When we are starting our system, we get an animation of the company that our phone is from. If it's Samsung, then Samsung. If it's OnePlus, then OnePlus, etc. So when every phone starts, you can see that. So that was the boot animation for my phone. So I'll show you how you can change the boot animation for your device. First, you need a rooted phone for that. Your phone must be rooted. So if you have that, then you need a file manager which can access the root directory. I use Solid Explorer for that. We can just download Solid Explorer. It is one of the best file explorers that I know, that I have used. So this one, Solid Explorer. So let's just open that, and here you can see if it's rooted, then you'll be able to see a root directory here.
If you are not able to see the root folder here, just go to the settings and enable this one. You see, right, this one. Then you will be able to see the root storage. You will need root access for this, so when you enable that, it will ask for a magisk request or a super SU request, so you need to approve that, then only it will be able to access.
You click that, and so yeah, usually your boot animation will be sitting in system, and the other next folder will be media. In my case, it is not, there is no media folder. In most phones it is in media folder, but in my case it is in product then media. So it's a small difference. Either it will be in direct media or product media. This is a boot animation zip file. So if you open that, we can see the files that our phone is actually booting through when phone is starting, right? And this is some small txt file to show what all files they need to go through. So there are like 80 files here, no, 62 files. So yeah, that's it. This is just you don't need to mind this. So what we're going to do is we are going to change this zip file to any other file that you want. So first of all, we'll just rename this to boot animation stock, and we'll just copy this to a safe location. Okay, so yeah, I'm just copy pasting it here, and here I have a lot of boot animation which is working for my phone, for every phone. So we'll just try that. So okay, I'm just deleting this boot animation stock file here and just refreshing, and then I'm copying this Alienware file here, and let me just open. Okay, it's some error is there, but okay, it's fine. We'll just see how it goes. I'm just restarting my phone. Let's see. You can ignore this warning. This is only for me. You will not get this warning. This is just for my phone. Yeah, okay. You can see it's an Alienware booting animation, right? It's for my phone is a OnePlus 7, but it's showing Alienware logo. So which is very cool, right? Just kind of nice. It's a bit hard to see this Alienware. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we just changed our boot animation to Alienware. Uh, we can change it to anything we like. There's a lot of options here, so I'll just show you a few more. Now there's one thing that you have to check. So when you have the file, the zip file, it should be, just click the properties and it should be in this attribute. So attributes is basically who can read, who can write, etc, etc. So it should be like this. Owner should have read and write, then group should be read only, global should be read only. So by default it will be like this. If there is some error, you just go here and check if it is correct. If it's not, then just click that. Okay, fine. We'll just check a few more. So let's see. Okay. So you have an Apple boot animation. I'll just delete this. Okay, we're done. Now we'll just again. Sorry. We'll just restart it. Okay, yeah, see, it's an Android phone, but it's booting up with an Apple animation. That's amazing, right? So, like that, you can put it to any uh, boot animation. Shall show one more, and in the YouTube description, I'll be putting a link with a Google Drive with a lot of boot animations. It's a link to my Google Drive, so you can directly download from there. And now I'll show you another one. So like okay, these collections are all like proper zip file. When you open them, like there's a part file and a description. So sometimes the files will be like this. Okay, inside this you will have a GIF file of what it will look like, and then you have a another zip file which has a lot of files. So you can get confused. So what you need to do in this case is, if you copy this zip file, it will not work. You need to go here, and then you need to go into system, then you need to go to media, you need to unzip this. Understand? So I'll just show that also. Yeah, so we'll try to put this Marvel one. It's very good. It's very cool. So yeah, this is the GIF that they are putting. Basically, this will be what we are gonna see when it's loaded. So you just take this zip file, and there is a lot of common meta system. Ignore all that. Go to system, go to media, take this file. I'm sorry. Take this file, copy, go to your product, media, delete this, and just copy this file. Okay, done. And then you just need to reboot. You will be able to see the uh, Marvel boot animation. To do. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's working. It's amazing. So yeah, as you can see, it's working perfectly. There is no issues. When you're starting your phone, you can see the Marvel logo and everything. Just great. Okay. Hmm. Okay, done. Uh, so there was another superhero one. There's a lot of OnePlus themes also. OnePlus 1, OnePlus 2, OnePlus 3, OnePlus 4, 5, 6, 7. You can have anything. You can have Star Trek. You can have Darth Vader. Darth Vader one is like this. It's like a small way to jump in. You can have Watch Dogs. It's actually very cool. It's a very nice boot animation. This is one of the best boot animation I've ever used. So yeah, I recommend this. It's like the opening intro to the game called Watch Dogs. It's like you're a hacker in that game. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, that's it. Then there's a Watch Dog 2 also, but it's okay. Yeah, so this is it. What I'm trying to find is okay, not this superhero. I think yeah, it's this one. This is like actually a very really good, really nice one. Yeah, you can have the Superman design. So man logo, yeah, okay, that is also good. But what I really like is this one. So I'll just show it to you. Sure, it's always boot animation dot zip. Okay, fine. Now we'll just close and we'll just see how it looks. Oh, look at that. It's pretty nice now. Yeah, I think this is one of my favorite boot animation. Yeah, so that's how you can change your boot animation to literally anything you want. Also, don't forget, I am in the description. I am sharing a Google Drive where you can download all of these boot animation that I've shared. Almost like there are like 350 boot animations that you can try out on your own. You just need a rooted phone. That's it. There's nothing else. And the way that you can destroy your phone by doing this is very less. Like there is very uh, low chance of making an error. And even if you make a mistake, like okay, I'll show you an example. Okay, if I am having a um, if I don't have boot animation zip file, or like okay, I'll just show if you make a boot animation dot zip, okay, it's empty. This okay, yeah, it's saying it's corrupted. Okay, fine. But the attribute, everything is correct. So there's nothing inside that. Okay, let's see what happens. There's not there's like nothing will happen. That's what I'm going to show you. Even if you try to give it a corrupt zip file, when your phone is starting, you'll just see that zip file and you'll try to play that. It will not work. So it'll just be a black screen or something like that. And then after some 7-8 seconds, your phone will load automatically. There is literally nothing will happen, and there is zero ways that you can break your phone by doing this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's just what I wanted to show. um, it's a very safe method. You cannot like lose your phone by doing this. It's less a fun thing to do. So yeah, try it out. I have linked a lot of see, it just loaded. That's it. Like it's just it'll just be stuck for some time and it'll load. Nothing, like, it's completely working, no problem. So even if you don't give a zip file, even if you give a corrupt zip file, if you give a zip file with a wrong resolution or like anything, it's fine, it doesn't matter. It's just a video that your phone is playing and it's starting up. That's it. That's literally all it's doing. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, leave a like and share this video with your friends, with your if you have any root enthusiast friend who's always rooting the phone, share them this video and tell them to have a cool boot animation. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
I have collected 367 different boot animations and made them all into one folder. You can download and use any of these, and most of these will work on most phones, because most of these are 1080p, and most phones are 1080p, and so there are some 40p ones also. Even if you use a 40p one on a 1080p phone, it will not break it. It won't look very good. That's it. But you can test it out, no problem. So I have zipped it as well, and I have uploaded to my Google Drive. So you can download this. It's a pretty big file, 3 GB, or you can download it individually also. So I'll share both of these in the description of the YouTube video. So check it out.